So let's start making our driver class. Our driver public class driver. So then constructor. I don't think I'm gonna have anything in this constructor. But yeah. So let's have a private web driver, and let's equal null. Just so we start off. And then we're going to get our driver. So public web driver, get driver. Returns. Okay. So this driver should get the driver that you want to use for Selenium. So right now I'm just going to use the native one, the Firefox driver. So if driver equals null, then driver, yeah, okay. Actually, I want to make everything static, I think. Yeah, so let's make everything static here. Public static. I think I made that static, right? Yeah. Okay, so driver equals new Firefox driver. Now this should be already in the Selenium to like plugin basically when you add it into your Palm. So yeah, and then return driver. So now that we can get our driver, let's use it for quitting. So when you want to close the browser, you would use this function to quit. Public, I think it's void, yeah, okay. So void and quit. Now this is driver dot quit. Simple. And I also have a function that's a shutdown. Function. So driver dot close. And then yeah, this is my driver function. Simple. Very, very, very simple. Alright, so next I'm gonna show you how to create a test-based class. So yeah, or I can just show you what I have so far. It's pretty simple. It's like creating a test-based class for your tests. So you will have a web driver and a controller. So the controller that we made in the first video. And then, so I created this method that will initialize the controller. So this method will get the driver and declare it as the driver for this test base, and then create a new controller with the driver, and then get the controller. Very simple. I just instantiate these two variables in this function, and then put it in the constructor. So when this test base is created, it is automatically there and ready to use for the test. So in this function, the most important functions are get controller and get driver. That's the only ones that you need. So you need to return the driver and return the controller and return the driver. That's it. So now I'm going to, in the next video, I'm going to show you how I start my tests, but I'm going to show you a test run so far. Okay, so this is what I have for a test. And I'll explain more of this later in another video, but this is a basic test that I use to just to click a button, basically. So I have a method here that's just going to test persich, and then I'm going to use it to go to the website that I want to go to with this line of code, and then assert if the home page is visible. If it's not, then I'm just going to say the home page failed to load. And then after it loads, it's going to click the Buy Now button. Simple test. So let's see if it works. So instantiating test, let's get sign. It goes to the website, waits. It's still loading. So then clicks the Buy Now button. And here's a little notification that the test passed. So as you can see that the test is working just fine. I will have more videos on how I did this test later. So stay tuned for those.